This plant lifestyles. I want to talk about this plant. As you can see, it's a plant with big leaves. This is how it looks like. This is the plant. It is commonly known as forest fever tree. It is normally known as or commonly known as forest fever tree. The scientific name is found in the description and the title. Please, this plant is very powerful. Most of the alcoholic beverages are made up of this plant because it does a lot of things. This plant is used to do a lot of herbal medicine too. Apart from the that is the alcoholic beverages, it is used in many of the alcoholic beverages and many of the that is the herbal medicine. So, what is the function of this plant? This plant is used in many ways to treat many illness. Yes, those suffering from serious chronic pains, serious chronic pains. This plant is used to release pains. It's anti-inflammatory plant. It has anti-inflammatory property that we used, especially the back. This one is very young. You see how the back look like. Yeah, this one is very young. The back is used for this purpose, and also those with weak waist. Their waist is very weak. They always complain of their waist pain and then waist problems and all kinds of those stuff. So the waist pains and waist problems are men with weak waist where they can't travel long distance in bed. That is why this is used in most of the alcoholic beverages that they claim to enhance sexual performance and also increase your libido. Yes. So this plant is very powerful and is very great. To consume this plant, you can get the bark and then make a decoction with simple decoction and start drinking to obtain its benefits. The leaf too has some physical and spiritual benefits. Mostly for spiritual aspects, many spiritualists are used to release people from bondage and also bring good luck to people using the leaves. See, the leaves are very big. Yes. So this plant is also used for protection. You see, it has some thorns on it, and then these thorns are used as protection for the plant against enemies. So if there's animal chewing the bark, you see, because of the thorns, it will prevent it from chewing. In the same way, the plant is used for protection, spiritual protection. Again, this same plant is a very powerful remedy for people with kidney problems. Yes, kidney problems. This plant is used to treat kidney problems, also diabetes, heart attack. This plant is very beneficial. It takes a lot of, it takes care of a lot, like many of sicknesses that this plant can treat. There are plenty of them, a lot of them. So I'll make a full video for the adult plant. This one is very young. I was just crossing and then I saw the plant and I decided to do small video to show my viewers. So this is the plant I want to talk about and its benefits, its powerful uses. Yes. So the scientific name is in the description. You can research on it for further benefit. Thank you for watching.